Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. In this quick video, I'll show you how to delete a class in Google Classroom safely. Stick around till the end. First of all, you need to have your Google Classroom. As you can see, I have already have it. Simply click on it. After clicking it, you'll find the class you want to delete. Simply click on the three dot icon. I want to delete this. To delete this, first of all, you need to archive this. I'll archive. Now your class is gone. Next step is to go to the menu at the top left corner and you will see the option called Archive Classes. To permanently delete the classes, simply click on three dot here and simply delete it. And it will permanently delete the class. To restore, simply click on three dot and simply click on Restore. And it will simply restore the class again. And that's it, your class is permanently deleted. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tutorials and comment what you want. See you in the next one.